Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever stood in front of a washing machine in a new place, not quite sure which button to press? Today, Hannah is heading to a Speed Queen laundromat. One of the most trusted and familiar names in laundry across America, famous for its heavy-duty washers and dryers. To do a load of laundry all on her own. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah is going to use one simple, friendly phrase whenever she needs a little help. Could you help me? You can use this exact phrase at a Speed Queen laundromat, or really any shop, anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and get ready for laundry day. Let's go to Speed Queen. Alright. Hannah has 3 missions today. 1. Get her first Speed Queen washer started with a busy but kind attendant. 2. Buy detergent from the vending machine with a nervous new helper who's still learning. 3. Move her clothes to the dryers with a chatty, friendly veteran. Doing laundry at a laundromat is something millions of people in America do every single week. And one simple phrase, could you help me, can get you through anything you're unsure about, from starting a machine to loading a payment card. By the end of this video, you will be able to ask for help starting a machine, buy detergent, ask someone to repeat themselves slowly, and find a free dryer, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's go to Speed Queen. Here are today's 5 Speed Queen key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me figure out how to start the Speed Queen washer? Could you help me figure out how to start the Speed Queen washer? This is today's magic phrase. Could you help me? Is a warm, simple way to ask for a hand with anything. It doesn't demand. It invites. Adding figure out how to makes it clear you just need a little guidance, which makes people happy to help you. Key phrase 2. How much detergent do I need for one load? How much detergent do I need for one load? A clear, easy way to ask about the right amount of something. Key phrase 3. Sorry, would you mind saying that again, a little slower? Sorry, would you mind saying that again, a little slower? A polite, friendly way to ask someone to repeat themselves when they talk too fast. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I leave my clothes here while they dry? Is it okay if I leave my clothes here while they dry? A gentle way to check that something is allowed before you do it. Key phrase 5. Do you know which dryer is free right now? Do you know which dryer is free right now? A relaxed way to ask for a small piece of information. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at Speed Queen. Hannah steps into a bright, humming Speed Queen laundromat, a laundry bag over her shoulder, rows of sturdy washers and dryers lining both walls. Near the machines, Marcus. A busy but kind Speed Queen attendant in his 30s, moving quickly with a rolling cart of folded towels, sleeves pushed up. Spots her looking around.
Hey there. Need a machine? Plenty open on this side.
Oh, thank you. Could you help me figure out how to start this Speed Queen washer? It's my first time here.
Course, happens all the time. So, load your clothes, shut the door good and firm. These Speed Queen washers are simple. Pick your temperature, then swipe your card right here.
Okay, and how much detergent do I need for one load?
Just 1 cap for a normal load. Don't overdo it. Speed Queen machines run hot and clean. Pour it in that little drawer up top.
Like this?
Perfect. Hit the green start button and you're off. Comes back around in about 30 minutes. Give me a shout if it acts up.
It's running. Thank you so much.
That's what I'm here for. Welcome to Speed Queen.
Nicely done, Hannah. Notice the phrase, could you help me figure out how to start this Speed Queen washer? A warm, simple way to ask for a hand. could you help me? Invite someone to guide you, instead of demanding they do it for you. That tiny word could makes the whole request softer and friendlier. Also notice how Marcus, busy as he was, still stopped to help. Kind people are everywhere when you ask nicely. A simple "could you help me?" plus a friendly attendant equals an easy first load every time. While her clothes wash, Hannah walks to the detergent vending machine by the door. Beside it, fumbling with a stack of coin cards, is Devin. A nervous new Speed Queen helper in his early 20s, name tag slightly crooked, still learning how everything works.
Oh. Hi. You need, detergent? The machine takes your Speed Queen card, or, coins, and then it. Okay, so you tap the little picture and the number pad and.
Sorry, would you mind saying that again, a little slower? I want to make sure I get it right.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Slower. You tap the picture of the detergent you want. Then you type the number below it. Then you tap your Speed Queen card right there.
Ah, that's much clearer. So, this one, number 4?
Yep. Number 4. Let me just make sure. Hey, is number 4 the small or the big pod?
Small one.
Small one. Perfect. Tap your card and it'll drop down.
Oh, there it is.
Nice. Sorry, I just started at Speed Queen last week, so I'm still, learning. You did great, though.
You explained it perfectly. Thank you.
Look at that. When Devin spoke a little too fast, Hannah didn't panic. Notice how Hannah used "sorry, would you mind saying that again, a little slower?" A polite, friendly way to ask someone to repeat themselves. There is nothing wrong with asking for this. It's not rude at all. In fact, it helps both people understand each other better. And even though Devin was new and a little nervous, he slowed right down and explained it clearly. A calm "say that again, a little slower?" plus a patient helper equals a moment of confusion, cleared up in seconds. 30 minutes later, Hannah lifts her clean, wet clothes into a basket. Near the dryers, folding a mountain of shirts with practiced hands, is Sal. A chatty Speed Queen veteran in his 50s, 20 years at this same laundromat, always ready with a story.
All washed up? These Speed Queen machines, they don't mess around, huh? 20 years I've watched folks come in here. Used to be my cousin ran the place, before that it was a shoe repair, if you can believe it.
Really? That's amazing. Do you know which dryer is free right now?
That one, end of the row. Number 12. Best dryer in the whole place, runs nice and even. Everybody wants 12, I'm telling ya.
Perfect, thank you. And is it okay if I leave my clothes here while they dry? I want to grab a coffee next door.
Oh sure, folks do it all the time. Set it for 40 minutes, go enjoy your coffee. I'm here till close, I'll keep half an eye on it for ya. Been doing that for years. Speed Queen regulars, we look out for each other.
That's so kind. Thank you, Sal.
Anytime. And hey, try the muffins next door, tell 'em Sal sent ya. You'll thank me later.
Wonderful. Today Hannah did a whole load of laundry at Speed Queen. Meeting busy but kind Marcus, nervous new Devin, and chatty Sal along the way. Notice. The biggest phrase of the day was, "Could you help me figure out how to start the Speed Queen washer?" That simple "could you help me?" opened the door to friendly help right from the very first moment. A warm question plus a helpful team equals a smooth, easy laundry day, at any Speed Queen laundromat, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah needs a hand starting the washing machine. She wants to ask for help in the friendliest, most polite way. Which one should Hannah say? A. Could you help me figure out how to start this Speed Queen washer? B. Can you show me how to start this washer? C. How do I start this thing? Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any laundry day, anywhere in America, into a relaxed, confident experience. Could you help me figure out how to start this Speed Queen washer? How much detergent do I need for one load? Sorry, would you mind saying that again, a little slower? Is it okay if I leave my clothes here while they dry? Do you know which dryer is free right now? With these 5 phrases, a trip to Speed Queen, or really any laundromat or shop, feels less like a puzzle, and more like something you're fully ready for. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, join us at the Verizon Wireless store, where Hannah asks about a new phone plan in fresh, easy English. See you next time. Bye-bye.